Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we're going to be making a vegetable called gourd. With it we having some potatoes because the kids, they don't like the vegetables alone. So for this we have the ingredients, which are the following: coriander powder, curry powder, turmeric, cumin, cloves, paprika, and salt. Next, here we have parsley or coriander, and here we have capsicum. Here we have onions. Here we have tomatoes, 2 tomatoes. Here we have ginger and garlic chopped finely with green chili peppers, and you could cook using either butter oil or olive oil. We turn on the flame to high. Let's place the pot, and we're adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, a little bit more than that. Next, we pour in the onions. So we're going to fry the onions for around 2-3 minutes. Okay, so now we're adding garlic, ginger, and the green chili pepper. Stir it a little bit, and then now we're going to be add to it tomatoes. Okay, next we're going to be adding in the spices that we have: the cumin, the curry powder, plus the rest, the salt. Okay, so now we have the tomatoes are almost a little bit done. We don't want to have them overcooked. So next we're going to be adding in our vegetable, the gourd, with the potatoes. And note, because we're making a vegetable, we don't want to overcook it so we don't lose the nutrients, the vitamins and these things. So next we're adding in the coriander, the capsicum. Stir it gently. And we're going to look at this, we're going to keep it, put a lid on it, and then we're going to let it cook in the steam. So you could see that we did not put water in it because the vegetable will release some water of its own, and we have put the flame on medium-low. So we're going to put a lid over it and let it cook. Okay, now lock is done. Gourd, the vegetable with the potatoes. So next we're going to be making rice. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. We have made the vegetable gourd with rice. We have yogurt with mint, salad, tomatoes, cucumbers, onion with lemon, and here we have another salad, mango. Enjoy. Hope you can make similar. Try it out and let us know in the comments.